How to add and enable free VPN in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add and enable free VPN in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, simply head over to your network and internet settings from here. And there you should find an option that says VPN. Tap on it. And after you're on the VPN section, you'll see VPN connections. Here you will find an option to add a VPN. Tap on Add VPN. Now here, just select Windows built-in, and under connection name, you can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it New VPN. Now for server name or address, what you'll need to do is you'll need to open up this website. Head over to vpnbook.com. After you're on vpnbook.com, simply head over to Free Open VPN account. After you tap on it, wait for a bit and it should take you to another page. And while this loads, if you guys are new to AppHacks, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. After you're here, after this free VPN loads, you can simply scroll down and right under here you will find these many accounts. So all you now need to do is simply copy address right here. You will see different locations as well. Copy this and you can head back to your settings and paste it right here. Now under VPN connection, simply choose automatic, and right here type of information, you can simply choose whichever you want. I'll just use username or info. Now you can use that very username and password right here, but I'll just save it as it is for now. Now tap on connect and it will ask you for your username and password. Now you can head back to that very website, and right under here you will find this password. Now you can copy this password. Let me just do that. So head back to your settings and right here paste the username and then the password as well. So simply remember the password. You cannot actually copy the password, so just type in your password here. After you type in the password, tap on OK and it should verify your sign-in info. And after it verifies your sign-in info, it will start connecting to the VPN. And after that, you will get connected to your new VPN. This might take some time depending on the VPN connection that you choose. Now, not all of them are optimized. So yeah, you can easily use this. As you can see now, the VPN has been connected. Now you can disconnect it from here as well. And yeah, that is how you use free VPN on your Windows device. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.